Hey, hey, hey! Project Pocket Life, Project Life, whatever. You know, I've never really settled that in my head. Anyway, it's me, Shannon McCree, coming to you with a pocket slash life slash, let me zoom you in here, page. And this spread is all about when me, my husband, and two of my boys went to go see Avengers Infinity War. So I know this was like a few months ago, but I kept forgetting to print pictures of the, like, an Infinity Wars poster. Anyway, I finally did it. And I separated all my photos the other day, and I was like, oh, I need to finish that. Because, I mean, if it's in the middle of your album, or me, I'm going to forget about it. And it kind of was, so. Anyway, we went to the theater, and they had people dressed up. Did they really look like them? No. I thought it was so cute. Cute little picture, you know? And this, all this ephemera and everything was pretty much already picked out. All I was waiting on was, again, the poster. And so, some of this stuff's going to look kind of old to you guys. And, that's why. That is why it is old. That's kind of cute. I hope you guys are having a great week. My week's not been too bad. I went to the doctor yesterday. If you're new to my channel, you'll not know, but I am 6 months pregnant with a sweet little baby girl. And now this is, side note that this is a boy layout, so maybe I should just do some homemade enamel dots. Just some black ones as my whatever, sprinkly bits. Anyway, so yeah, I went yesterday for that and had to have the, if you've ever been pregnant, dreaded glucose test. We'll know sometime later this week how that's going, but my doctor, because I drank the stuff, my doctor's an hour away. I drank the stuff on my way to the doctor's appointment, had my blood drawn as soon as I got there, and went back to see my doctor, and she didn't seem to have any issue. You know, she wasn't worried about gestational diabetes. So I said, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not either, because at this point, 6 months in, I've gained 14 pounds altogether. So for the most part, I would say weight gain would be probably the biggest indicator to me. I'm not a doctor, but I have had a kid before. It has been 13 years ago. Okay, maybe that's enough hearts, right? Right, okay. But we'll keep them out. So I struggled with this paper because all these pieces are all from the Citrus Twist. My favorite Citrus Twist. Well, it's just as crooked. And it's something else, if you're new to my channel, you don't know. I put everything on crooked. What are you gonna do? I was looking at a calendar earlier, And I thought it was Thursday. 'Tis not. But that's okay, because to be honest, after Tuesday, my days pretty much fly by me. My week, I should say. So if you guys have never witnessed homemade enamel dots, this is the one thing I hate about them. They don't come with adhesive on them. So let's see what we got here for hearts. But you can save money doing them that way, but it's a hassle too to do them, so I just ixnayed it all together. And then I ended up making a whole bunch of colors that I was never going to use. And, you know, that right there, I'm not a fan of being wasteful, so. Then again, I don't think most people are. Except my kids. Except my kids. So, I did go ahead and do my journaling card, which you guys will see later, once I show the whole thing. Oh, you know what? I think, I don't remember now. And because we don't go a lot of places, so one of my biggest things was to get all these road tripping kind of day type things all used up, because we don't road trip, so. Woo! Get back over there. This one says, "We came, we saw, we loved." Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'd have to say Infinity Wars was way more shocking than Endgame. But, geez, Lou, Betty Rue. Arrow kind of, because when this is in there, it's going to be pointing to one of the posters, so that'll be great. Anyway, let me show you my little container of my homemade dots. So, like I said, you can get quite a bit of them. But make sure, and this is actually just, no matter what you buy, make sure it's in colors that you will actually use. Because I found myself buying just to buy at one point. Because it was on sale, it was a good deal. But that's irrelevant if you're not going to use it. So, such as these. Although I will use these. They're Project Life cards. Ooh. Anyway, 64 cents. Yeah, so. And then this is all for me, baby. Now, of course, I waited until we got in the theater to take pictures, and you already know how that went. Let me see, in April, I think, yeah, we had already announced that little lady was on her way. And we were just so ecstatic because we were not 100% sure we would be able to have children with our ages. Turns out I just had to wait for the birth control to get out of my system. Tuck that in there because it's got that top piece. That was not colored. Anyway, this is probably going to be a pretty boring layout just because it's, for one, been a long time since I've done just a Project Life one. Pocket Life, whatever. These kids, crazy. Ooh, how am I gonna put that on there? That'd be good. And I think I saved the tickets, but I ended up getting rid of them, I guess. Oh, look, I got one of these big words used. So when I do finally have a layout that has, like I remember Inky Quill, you know, she doesn't travel a whole lot. So when we do a layout that has the opportunity to put weekend on it or something like that, we're just like, put them all on there, and it could get overwhelming. Anyway, that's about it for this. I'll bring in what was I about to say? Oh, the whole thing in just a second. I did add some enamel dots. Yeah, see, like movie night? I mean, I don't want it to sound like we don't ever go out or do anything, but it's just rare, I guess. Ooh, you're not going to see those at all, are you? It'd be alright. Whoop! Man down. Alright, let me pause you and I'll bring the whole thing back in. Okay, so altogether I think it looks pretty good. All the colors mesh pretty well, but these are the two, and I didn't do anything to those because they're movie posters. This is my journaling one, and all I did was add this and this paperclip type thing. I had to do a slit in it right here so that it would in fact fit on the card, because I didn't take into account that where it was going to need to be placed, I wouldn't be able to clip it there. So anyway, I hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And you know what? Don't forget to get your crafty time in. See you guys next time. Bye.